The Infinity Pen. Select the tools you need faster using the pre-programmed buttons. Take advantage of the precision and accuracy using a pen will give you. On the back of the pen, you will see 5 small notches. Giving these a firm push downwards and up opens the back of the pen. One AAA battery will be needed to power the pen. Connect to your device using the USB dongle. Once the dongle is plugged in, you may need to enable the pen within the Hive settings. To do this, head over to the menu wheel, then Settings. With the Settings tab selected, scroll down on the Save options until you see Support Hardware Pen. Make sure this is selected and click OK to apply. You may need to restart Hive in order for these settings to take effect. On the face of the pen, you will see 6 buttons labelled 1 through to 6. A long press of button number 1 brings up the Hard Pen tool. A single press cycles through a selection of preset colours. Buttons 2 and 3 are your left and right navigation buttons for switching between pages. A long press of button number 4 brings up the Highlighter Pen tool. Again, you can cycle through colours with a single press of number 1. A single press of number 4 cycles through the line thickness, eventually hitting a maximum preset, at which point it starts again. The number 5 button brings up the One Touch tool. Use the number 4 button to cycle through the One Touch features. A single press of 5 will close the One Touch tool. Holding down this button activates desktop mode, allowing you to use your pen to interact with different applications or your home screen. A single press of the number 6 button activates the gyro feature, allowing you to interact with your board without touching it. Pressing 6 again deactivates this feature. Holding down button 6 activates the handwriting recognition tool, automatically converting your handwriting into a standard editable text format. The Infinity Pen can be customized and buttons assigned to your favorite tools via the settings. Navigate over to Pen Settings, and from there, you want to make sure the Infinity Pen 1 is selected. Using the drop-down menus, you can assign your favorite tools to the numbered buttons, pressing OK to save your settings. Speed up your workflow with the Infinity Pen.